I pledge my head
to clear thinking.
I made masks for my close friend because she is in the medical field.
My heart
to greater loyalty.
We did put this in Liberty, Illinois for families to be able to come and take whatever they need, because some families aren't getting like the meals they usually have, and there's different hygiene products and different varieties of food.
My hands
to our service.
We made some blessing bags, as they're called, mini first aid kits that have all the basic stuff that you need if you got injured. We delivered 170 blessing bags to the St. Thomas Food Pantry.
And my health
My health for better living.
With this extra time at home, I've been able to spend more time with my plants and my hydroponic system.
For my club, my community, my country, and my world.
4H, estamos unidos.
4H is